Low miles, 41,700. SE trim. Price has recently been reduced. Powered.com, 4-Power Circle rated. Edmunds.com's review says a roomy, safe and versatile family car, aluminum wheels, alloy wheels, CD player. 5-star driver front crash rating. Click me. Key features: CD player, aluminum wheels, remote trunk release, keyless entry, child safety locks, bucket seats, 4-wheel ABS. Experts report. Edmunds.com's review says a roomy, safe and versatile family car. 5-star driver front crash rating. 5-star driver side crash rating. Powered.com Power Circle ratings. Overall dependability, 4 power circles. Overall performance and design, 3.5 power circles. www.power.com Affordable, just repriced to move. Approximately original base sticker price, $22,200. AutoCheck. One owner about us. Our business is to satisfy customers and provide greater value than our competitors. We do this by empowering the customer with the My philosophy, My ride, My way. Our customers are in the driver's seat. My price, My way, My trade, My peace of mind, My choice. We give our customers a total shopping experience that exceeds their expectations for service, convenience and upholds the highest standards of business conduct. Pricing analysis performed on February 25, 2011. Please confirm the accuracy of the included equipment by calling us prior to purchase.